Welcome to online classes of first year BSc second semester mathematics students. This is KVR Narasimha, lecturer in mathematics, Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amalapuram, East Godavari district, affiliated to Adikavi Nana University, Rajahmundry. In your second semester mathematics paper, solid geometry, we have 5 units. In that 5 unit 1 is plane. In this plane, we have already completed 7 lessons. Now today, I will explain lesson number 8 of unit 1 plane of your second semester mathematics paper, solid geometry. Now theorem, find the condition that a plane, first one is perpendicular to, so find the condition that a line perpendicular to the plane, second condition parallel to the plane. Find the condition that a line whose DC is LMN is perpendicular to the plane, that is the first. What is the condition? That the straight line having DC is LMN, which is perpendicular to the plane AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0. And second one, the condition that the line whose DC is LMN is parallel to the plane. Let the given plane be AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0. Therefore, DRs of normal to the plane are small a, small b, small c. Next. The first one, perpendicular to the plane. The line whose DCs are LMN and it is perpendicular to the plane, that means it is parallel to the normal to the plane. So the normal and the given line are parallel. Then the condition that two lines having DRs A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That's why the condition for perpendicularity is L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. Next one, the condition for parallel. The condition for parallel. That means the line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane. So the condition that perpendicularity of two lines whose DCs, whose DRs are A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the condition that a line whose DC is LMN is perpendicular is parallel to the plane whose equation is AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0 is A1 A2 AL plus BM plus CN equal to 0. Now I will explain in Telugu. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఒక లైన్ కనుక ఆ లైన్కి LMN DC కాగలిగిన లైన్కి ప్లేన్ AX ప్లస్ BY ప్లస్ CZ ప్లస్ D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనే ప్లేను పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? అలాగే లైను ప్లేన్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? ప్లేన్ యొక్క ఈక్వేషన్ AX ప్లస్ BY ప్లస్ CZ ప్లస్ D ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అన్నాం. అందులో ABCలు ఏంటి? ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి డిఆర్స్ అవుతాయి. ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి డిఆర్స్ అవుతాయి. ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఆ లైన్ ప్లేన్కి ఎక్కడ చూసినా పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడేంటి? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ప్యారలల్ అంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి లైను ప్లేన్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే, ప్లేన్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్ అనేది ఒక లైను, ఇచ్చిన లైన్ అనేది ఒక లైను, రెండు పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి కండిషన్ A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2లు డిఆర్స్ కాగలిగిన రెండు లైన్స్ కనుక పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండాలంటే కండిషన్ A1 A2 ప్లస్ B1 B2 ప్లస్ C1 C2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. అంచేత LA ప్లస్ MB ప్లస్ NC ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవ్వాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే లైన్ కనుక ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే అండి, ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉండదు. ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే రెండు లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్గా ఉండాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? A1/A2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B1/B2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు C1/C2. అంటే L/A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు M/B ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు N/C. అలాగే A/L ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B/M ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు C/N అని రాసిన రైటే. దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. దట్ ఈస్ ద థియరం. నౌ వీ గో టు solve a problem. Find the equation of the plane through the points 1, 1, 1, -1, 3, 2 and perpendicular to each of the planes x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus z equal to 9. Find the equation of the plane through the points. 2 points are given. For forming a plane, it is 3 points is necessary. So only 2 points are given and another condition is given. The condition is that plane is perpendicular to 2 given planes. So given 2 points are -1, 3t, 3, 2 and 1, 1, 1. Therefore equation of the plane through any point, let us say -1, 3, 2 is A into x plus 1 plus B into y minus 3 plus C into z minus 2 equal to 0. It is perpendicular to only one point is given, that is -1, 3t. 1, 1, 1 is not given. Please correct it. In the given problem, 2 points are given, then 2 conditions are not necessary, only one condition is necessary. So that's why I have eliminating the first point. That's why equation of the plane through -1, 3, 2 is A into x plus 1 plus B into y minus 3 plus C into z minus 2 is equal to 0. Call it as 1. Given planes x plus 2y plus 3z minus 5 equal to 0, call it as 2. Another plane 3x plus 3y plus z minus 9 equal to 0, call it as 3. 1 is perpendicular to 2, implies A into 1, the sum of the products of the coefficients is equal to 0 because of perpendicular. X plus 2y plus 3z minus 5 is perpendicular to first plane. That's why A into 1 plus B into 2 plus C into 3 equal to 0. Call it as 4. Another. That 1 is also perpendicular to the next plane, that is 3x plus 3y plus z minus 9 equal to 0. That is 3. 1 is perpendicular to 3 implies A into 3 plus B into 3 plus C into 1 equal to 0. Solving 4, 5, we get A by 2 minus 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3. A by 2 minus 9 is equal to B by 9 minus 1 is equal to C by 3 minus 6 is equal to K. Implies A equal to minus 7K, B is equal to 8K, C is equal to minus 3K. Substituting these values in equation 1, we get minus 7K into x plus 1 plus 8K into y minus 3 minus 3K into z minus 2 equal to 0. Implies 7x minus 8y plus 3z plus 25 equal to 0 is the equation of the plane. In this problem, only one point is given, that is -1, 3, 2. 2 conditions are given. For forming a plane, it is necessary 3 points or 3 conditions, or points and condition altogether 3. So, only one point, that is -1, 3, 2 is given. Then what is the equation of the plane through first x1, y1, z1? A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. And it is perpendicular to the 2 planes. That's why you get two conditions. Three unknowns, two conditions. Solving by iteration, we get ABC. Then substituting the values of ABC in the equation 1, we get the solution. Second problem. Find the equation of the plane through the point -1, 1, 1 and 1, -1, 1 and perpendicular to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 7. I will explain this problem in English Telugu medium because the previous problem is also similar to this. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏంటంటే -1, 1, 1 అనేటువంటి పాయింట్ 1, -1, 1 అనేటువంటి పాయింట్లు గుండా పోతూ ఒకే ఒక ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండే ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇక్కడ ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి రెండు కండిషన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చి ఒక కండిషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. సేమ్ సిమిలర్. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే మొదటి పాయింట్ గుండా పడ్డాం అంటే గివెన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ -1, 1, 1 and 1, -1, 1. Therefore, equation of the plane through -1, 1, 1 is a into x plus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 is equal to 0. This we call it as equation 1. It also passing through second point 1, -1, 1. That means substituting x is equal to 1, y equal to -1, z equal to 1 in equation 1. అంటే ఒకటో ఈక్వేషన్లో x ఉన్న చోట 1, y ఉన్న చోట -1, z ఉన్న చోట 1 నుంచి ఈ పాయింట్ కూడా ఆ ప్లేన్ గుండా పోతుంది కాబట్టి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2a minus 2b plus 0 into c is equal to 0. Call it as 2. ఇది సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుంది. ఒకటో ఈక్వేషను రెండో ఈక్వేషన్. కానీ ఒకటో ప్లేను ఒక ప్లేన్ ఇచ్చాడు. గివెన్ ప్లేన్ x plus 2y plus 2z minus 7 equal to 0. దాన్ని 3 అంటున్నాం. దానికి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంది అంటున్నాడు. పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 1, 3 పెర్పెండిక్యులర్. పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. అంటే a into 1 plus b into 2 plus c into 2 is equal to 0. Call it as 4. 2, 4ను సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. a by -4 minus 0, b by 0 minus 4 plus c by 4 plus 2 is equal to k. a equal to -4k, b is equal to -4k, c is equal to 6k. ఈ మూడు వాల్యూస్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఒకటో ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే -4k ఇంటూ x plus 1 -4k ఇంటూ y minus 1 plus 6k into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies 4x plus 4y minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Next problem. Find the equation of the plane through 2, 2, 1 and 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to the plane 2x plus 6y plus 6z equal to 9. Same similar problem. Given points are P 2, 2, 1 and Q 9, 3, 6. So equation of the plane through 2, 2, 1 is a into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. Call it as 1. It also passing through Q 9, 3, 6. That is a into 9 minus 2 plus b into 3 minus 2 plus c into 6 minus 1 equal to 0. On simplification, 7a plus b plus 5c equal to 0. Call it as 2. Now equation 1 is perpendicular to the given plane, that is 2x plus 6y plus 6z equal to 9, that is minus 9 equal to 0. 1 is perpendicular to 3, that is because the given equation is called by 3. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ 3 అనుకుంటే 1, 3 పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో a into 2 plus b into 6 plus c into 6 equal to 0. This on simplification 2a plus 6b plus 6c equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, we get a plus 3b plus 3c is equal to 0. Call it as 4. What is equation 2? 7a plus b plus 5c equal to 0. What is 4? A plus 3b plus 3c is equal to 0. These are the two equations in three unknowns. By iterational method, we can get the value a by 3 minus 10 is equal to b by 5 minus 21 equal to c by 21 minus 1 equal implies a equal to minus 12k b equal to minus 16k, c is equal to 20k, because of a is equal to a by 3 minus 15, that is minus 12k, b is equal to minus 16k, c is equal to 20k. So substituting these values in equation 1, we get 3k into x minus 2, because minus 12k, minus 16k, 20k dividing by minus 4, we get a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 4k, c is equal to minus 5k. That's why substitute these values in 1, we get 3k into x minus 2 plus 4k into y minus 2 minus 5k into z minus 1 equal to 0 implies 3x plus 4y minus 5z minus 9 equal to 0. Next problem. Find the equation of the plane through 1 minus 2 4, 3 minus 4 5 and perpendicular to yz plane is show that the equation of the plane through 1 minus 2 4, 3 minus 4 5 and perpendicular to yz plane is y plus 2z is equal to 6. The similar problem. Given points are P 1 minus 2 4 and Q 3 minus 4 5. Let the equation of the plane through 1 minus 2 4 is capital A into x minus 1 plus capital B into y plus 2 plus capital C into z minus 4 equal to 0, or A into x minus 3, whatever point you have to choose in. The first point or second point. So it is enough to first point, that is a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 2 plus c into z minus 4 equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. It also passing through q 3 minus 4 5 implies a into 3 minus 1 plus b into minus 4 plus 2 plus c into 5 minus 4 equal to 0 implies 2a minus 2b plus c equal to 0. 2a minus 2b plus c equal to 0. Call it as equation 2. Given plane is yz plane. What is the equation of yz plane? X is equal to 0. Equation of the yz plane is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 can be written as 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 0 into z plus 0 equal to 0. So what are the coefficients of yz plane? 1, 0, 0, 0. Are the DRs of normal to the yz plane. Therefore, plane perpendicular to this yz plane, that is a into 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 is equal to 0. Solving 2 and 4. A by 0 minus 0 is equal to b by 1 minus 0 is equal to c by 0 plus 2 is equal to k. A is equal to 0, b is equal to k, c is equal to 2k. Substituting these values in 1, we get 0 into x minus 1 plus k into y plus 2 plus 2k into z minus 4 equal to 0 implies y plus 2z plus 6 is equal to 0. Hence proved. This is the result of the problem. Next problem. Find the equation of the plane through the points 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 and 3, 2, 4 and perpendicular to xy plane. Whereas in the previous problem, yz plane. In this case, xy plane. What is the equation of xy plane? Z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 can be written as 0x plus 0y plus 1z plus 0 is equal to 0. Given 2 points are P 2, 1 minus 1 and Q 3, 2, 4. Let the equation of the plane through P 2, 1 minus 1 is A into x minus 2 plus B into y minus 1 plus C into z plus 1 is equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. It passing through Q 3, 2, 4 implies A into 3 minus 2 plus B into 2 minus 1 plus C into 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Implies A into 1 plus B into 1, A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C into 5 is equal to 0. This we call it as equation 2. Equation 3, 2. Now the plane, the required plane is perpendicular to xy plane. That is, the required plane is perpendicular to, that is plane equation 1 perpendicular to 1x plus, 0x plus 0y plus 1z plus 0 is equal to 0. That is A into 0 plus B into 0 plus C into 1 is equal to 0. Implies 0 plus 0 plus C equal to 0. Solving 2, 4 we get A by 1 minus 0 is equal to B by 0 minus 1 is equal to C by 0 minus 0 is equal to K. Implies A equal to 1K, B equal to minus 1K, C is equal to 0. Substituting these values of A, B, C in 1, we get K into x minus 2 minus K into y minus 1 plus 0 into z plus 1 equal to 0 implies x minus 1, x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Next problem. Find the intercepts made by the plane 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 3 on the coordinate axis. What are the DCs of normal to the plane? Find the intercepts made by the plane. Given plane is 2x plus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. Now we want to find the intercepts made by the plane. That means you need to shift the equation, transform the equation into intercept form. What is the general form of intercept form? X by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. That's why equation 1 can be dividing by 3. We'll get 2 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into y minus 2 by 3 into z is equal to 1. Implies x by 3 by 2 plus y by 3 by 1 plus z by minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, once again, x by 3 by 2 plus y by 3 by 1 plus z by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So it is of the form x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Implies the intercepts made by the plane are 3 by 2, 3 by 1 and minus 3 by 2. What are the DCs of normal to the plane? What are the DRs of normal to the plane? 2, 1, minus 1. The coefficients of x, y, z are DRs. So what are the coefficients? 2, 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1. Therefore, DRs ABC are 2, 1 minus 1. If ABC are DR, then what are DCs? L is equal to A by square root sigma A square. M is equal to B by square root sigma A square. N is equal to C by square root sigma A square. Therefore, DCs of normal to the plane are 2 by square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, comma 1 by square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, comma n is equal to minus 2 by square root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 square, implies minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. These are the DCs of normal to the plane. Normal form of the equation can be obtained is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. What is P? P is equal to D by square root of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. Therefore, normal form is 2 by 3 into X plus 1 by 3 into Y plus minus 2 by 3 into Z is equal to 1. Next problem. If a variable plane moves such that the sum of the reciprocals of intercepts is constant, then show that the plane passing through fixed point. Important problem. ఒక వేరియబుల్ ప్లేను యొక్క ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ యొక్క రెసిప్రోకల్స్ యొక్క సమ్ము కాన్స్టెంట్ అయితే ఆ ప్లేను ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి పోతుంది అని చూపించారు. వేరియబుల్ ప్లేన్ is generally assumed to be x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. What are the intercepts? 1 by a, 1 by b, a, b, c are intercepts. Then according to hypothesis, sum of these reciprocals of intercepts 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to constant. I have chosen 1 by k. Say that is equation 1 or 2. What is equation 1? Variable plane. X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Call it as 1. The condition that is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 1 by k. Call it as 2. This implies k into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to k into 1 by k. But that is multiplying both sides by k. K by a plus k by b plus k by c is equal to 1. This implies instead of x there is k, instead of y there is y, instead of z there is a k in equation 1. That means the plane passing through the point k, k, k. This is a fixed point. Therefore, the plane passing through fixed point. Next problem. Prove that the equation of the plane through the points 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 7, minus 3, minus 5 is parallel to y-axis. 3 points are given. So you can easily construct a plane. Then after the determination of plane, it is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means perpendicular to zx plane. That is to be proved. The 3 given points are P 1, 1, 1, Q 1 minus 1, 1, R minus 7, minus 3, minus 5. Now equation of the plane through first point 1, 1, 1 is A into x minus 1 plus B into y minus 1 plus C into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Call it as 1. It also passing through second point 1 minus 1, 1 implies A into 1 minus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus c into 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Implies 0a minus 2b plus 0c is equal to 0. Call it as 2. 1 also passing to third point, minus 7, minus 3, minus 5. This implies a into minus 7 minus 1 plus b into minus 3 minus 1 plus c into minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Implies minus 8a minus 4b minus 6c equal to 0. Call it as 3. 2, 3 are equations in ABC. So we can easily solve by iteration. That implies a by 12 minus 10 is equal to b by 0 plus 0 is equal to c by 0 minus 16 is equal to k. Implies a equal to 12k, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 16k. Substituting these values in 1, we get 12k into x minus 1 plus 0 into y minus 1 minus 16k into z minus 1 equal to 0. Implies 3x minus 4z plus 1 equal to 0. 3x minus 4z plus 1 equal to 0. It is this we call it as equation 4. Given line is y-axis. Suppose if 5 is parallel to y-axis, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Or it is perpendicular to zx plane. What is the equation of zx plane? Y equal to 0. Therefore, in this case also y coefficient 0. Therefore, it is perpendicular to zx plane, that is parallel to y-axis. Next problem. Determine the constant k so that the planes x minus 2y plus kz equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus z equal to 0 are at right angles. Find the case, the plane through 1 minus 1, case 1, the plane through 1 minus 1, and case 2 perpendicular to both given planes. Determine the constant k so that the planes, given planes are x minus 2y plus kz equal to 0, call it as 1. Second plane is 2x plus 5y minus z equal to 0. Call it as 1 and 2 are perpendicular. That is 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 5 plus k into minus 1 equal to 0. Implies 2 minus 10 minus k equal to 0 implies k equal to minus 8. Therefore, the first plane transforms to x minus 2y minus 8z equal to 0. Call it as 3. First condition. These two planes are perpendicular. Find the case. Find case 1. The plane through 1 minus 1. Equation of the plane through 1 minus 1 is a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. Call it as 4. 1 and 2 are perpendicular. That means through one, that is 4 is perpendicular to 3 comma 2. So this implies a into 1 plus b into minus 2 plus c into minus 8 equal to 0. Call it as 5. For second, a into 2 plus b into 5 plus c into minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving, we get a by 2 plus 40 is equal to b by minus 16 plus 1 is equal to c by 5 plus 4 is equal to k. A equal to 42k, because 40 k1, k is also given, that's why k1. B is equal to minus 15k1, c is equal to 9k1. Substituting these values in 4, we get 42k1 into x minus 1 minus 15k1 into y plus 1 plus 9k1 into z minus 1 equal to 0 implies 14x minus 5y plus 3z minus 2z plus 3z minus 22 equal to 0 is the equation of the plane. Once again the problem. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లంలో రెండు ప్లేన్స్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటూ అవి 1 మైనస్ 1 1 గుండా పోతూ ఇచ్చినటువంటి రెండు ప్లేన్స్కి కూడా పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండాలి. సో 1 మైనస్ 1 గుండా పోయే ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ వై ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ సి ఇంటూ జెడ్ మైనస్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇది ఒక ఈక్వేషన్. 1 2 పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా కే వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మూడో ఈక్వేషన్, ముందు ఈక్వేషన్ ఏదైతే 1 మైనస్ 1 1 గుండా పోయేటువంటి ప్లేన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి రెండు ప్లేన్స్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంది. సో పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటే ఏం జరుగుతుంది? a1 a2 ప్లస్ b1 b2 ప్లస్ c1 c2 0 అవుతుంది. సో దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఏబిసి వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినాయి. వాటి తీసుకొచ్చి ఒకటో ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Find the equation of the plane through point 2 2 1 and 9 3 6 and perpendicular to the plane 2x plus 6y plus 6z is equal to 9. Given points are P 2 2 1 Q 9 3 6 and given plane is 2x plus 6y plus 6z minus 9 equal to 0. Call it as 2. Call it as equation 1. Now equation of the plane through P 2 2 1 is a into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. Call it as 2. And it also passing through 9 3 6 implies a into 9 minus 2 plus b into 3 minus 2 plus c into 6 minus 1 equal to 0. On simplification we get 7a plus b plus 5c equal to 0. Call it as 3. 2 comma, solving 2 comma 3. Because 1 is perpendicular to 2x plus 6y plus 6z equal to 9. Implies a into 2 plus b into 6 plus c into 6 is equal to 0. Implies 2a plus 6b plus 6c equal to 0. Fourth. Solve 2 comma 4. We get a by 6 minus 30 is equal to b by 10 minus 42 is equal to c by 42 minus 2 is equal to k. Implies a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 4k, c is equal to minus 5k. So substituting the values of a, b, c in 1, we get 3k into x minus 2 plus 4k into y minus 2 minus 5k into z minus 1 equal to 0. Implies 3x plus 4y minus 5z minus 9 equal to 0. Next problem. Find the equation of the plane which bisects the line joining the points 1 2 3 and 3 4 5 at right angles and show that it makes equal intercepts on the axis. ఒక ప్లేను రెండు లైన్లు కలిపే లైన్ని సమద్విఖండాన్ని చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఆ ఇచ్చిన రెండు పాయింట్స్కి మధ్య పాయింట్ నుంచి ఆ ప్లేను వెళ్తుంది అంటున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆ 2 పాయింట్ గుండా పోయే లైన్కి ప్లేన్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది అంటున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఈక్వల్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుందని చూపించాలి. గివెన్ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ P1, 2, 3, Q3, 4, 5. మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ 1 + 3/2, 2 + 4/2, 3 + 5/2. Therefore, the midpoint of AB is 2, 3, 4. Now this line PQ is at right angles to the plane. That is, PQ is parallel to normal to the plane. Therefore, DRs of normal to the plane are same as PQ. Therefore, DRs of PQ are ABC. 3 - 1, 4 - 2, 5 - 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Therefore, DRs of normal to the plane are 2, 2, 1, and it passing through 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we get 2 × x - 2 plus 2 × y - 3 plus 2 × z - 4 equal to 0. On simplification, we get x plus y plus z minus 9 equal to 0. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏంటంటే 2 పాయింట్లు కలిపే లైన్ యొక్క సమద్విఖండన బిందువు గుండా పోతూ ఆ బిందువు దగ్గర ప్లేను లైను పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండేటువంటి ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కట్టండి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇచ్చిన 2 పాయింట్స్ 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. ఆ 2 పాయింట్ల యొక్క మిడ్ పాయింట్ 2, 3, 4 అయ్యింది. దాని గుండా పోవాలి ప్లేన్. ఒక ప్లేన్ కావాలంటే ఒక పాయింట్ డిఆర్స్ తెలియాలి. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ఎలా ఉందన్నాడు, ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉందంటున్నాడు. అంటే ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్లో ఈ లైను ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటాయి. ఎంచేత ఈ లైన్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంది, ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్ కూడా ప్లేన్కి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే లైను ఇది ప్యారలల్గా ఉండడం కానీ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవ్వడం కానీ జరగాలి. 2 లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్గా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, వాటి డిఆర్స్ సేమ్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఈ లైన్కి డిఆర్స్ ఏముంటాయో ప్లేన్ యొక్క నార్మల్కి డిఆర్స్ కూడా అవే ఉంటాయి. డిఆర్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి, x2 - x1, y2 - y1, z2 - z1. అంటే డిఆర్స్ ఏబీసీలు ఏమొచ్చినాయి, 2, 2, 2. డిఆర్స్ వచ్చేసిన ఏబీసీలు. పాయింట్ ఏమో 2, 3, 4 అయింది. అప్పుడు ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషను 2 × x - 2 plus 2 × y - 3 plus 2 × z - 4. కానీ నోట్స్లో 4 × z - 4 పడింది, తప్పది. 2 × z - 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే x plus y plus z - 9 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. Hence, my dear students, I have completed. And next, some more question is not completed. That is also, and it shows that it makes equal intercepts on the axis. So now we will change it into intercept form. That is, x/9 plus y/9 plus z/9 is equal to 1. Therefore, intercepts made by x-axis 9, y-axis 9, z-axis 9. Therefore, the plane which makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Hence, I completed this problem. Now, I have completed lesson number 8. I think lesson number 8 of unit 1 has completed. So we will meet in lesson number 9 shortly.